Good morning, children. So today's sound is A. Let's do my turn, your turn. A, 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 A. Well done. When you look at the picture side of our sound, there is a snail in the rain. Snail in the rain. Can you repeat that? Snail in the rain. Snail in the rain. Well done. Now let's look at some of the A word. Pa, A, Ch, A, Well done. Chain. A, Pa, A, T. A, Well done. So when we look this side of the cards, it's our phrase snail in the rain. When we look at this side of the cards, it's our two-letter, one-sound special friend A. Special sound A. A. Snail in the rain. A. Snail in the rain. Now I'm going to trick you. Let's see. Well done. So we all know A, snail in the rain. I am going to hide this sound card in this pack now. If you see our today's sound, can you point and shout? Ready? Well done. Now let's look at some of the A green words. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Okay? Special friend. Special friend. Special friend. Special friend. Special friend. Fantastic. Now let's look at some of the previously taught sound. Since you are so good, this time I'm going to hide all the dash and dots. Okay? And we're going to do special friend, Fred in your head. When I push the cards towards you, you read the word. Special friend. Special friend. Special friend. Well done. Let's do some speedy reading. Fantastic job. Now let's look some of our nonsense word. What a load of nonsense. Okay? Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend. Special friend. Special friend. Well done. Now let's write some word together. Are you ready? Snail. Snail. Let's see how many Fred fingers do we need. Show me. Pinch and say. A, U. Write it down. Let's write it together. Ooh, underline my special friend A. Tick or fix. Give yourself a tick if you return the sounds correctly, otherwise you could fix it. Are we ready for another word? Train. 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 How many fret fingers do we need? Show me. 4. Right. Let's pinch and say T, R, A, M. Write it down. Let's write it together. T, R, A. Let's underline our special friend. And then tick or fix. Tick, give it a tick if it's right, or fix it. Are we ready for another word? Paid. 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 Let's see how many fret fingers do we need. Have you hide your fret finger? See if it's hidden. Show me. P, A, D. Write it down. P, A, D. Underline. Don't forget to underline your special friend. Let's tick or fix. Are we ready to do another previously taught words? Coat. 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 How many fret fingers do we need? Let's hide it. Show me. Pinch and say K, O, T. Write it down. K, O. Underline a special friend. T. Tick or fix. Let's do one more previously taught word. Throat. 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 Well done. Let's work out in our fret fingers. Show me. Pinch and say R, O, T. Write it down. Oh, that's a special friend too. R, O. Underline another special friend. T. Let's tick or fix. Well done, everybody.
Yeah. So in your phonics today, you've been learning the sound A, two letters, one sound, two letters, one sound, like snail in the rain. So we're going to use that sound in our sentence today. We're going to write a sentence about a snail. So my sentence that we're going to use today is, I want green paint on my shell, said the snail. So we'll practice that using my turn, your turn, and then we'll have a go at writing it up here. So it goes like this. I want green paint on my shell, said the snail. I want green paint on my shell, said the snail. I want green paint on my shell, said the snail. And one more time. I want green paint on my shell, said the snail. Well done, because it's quite a long one. Let's see how many words that's going to be. I want green paint on my shell, said the snail. 10. Whew. So there are quite a few red words in our sentence. So we're going to, you'll be able to spell loads of those, but I've got them here in case we need a bit of a hand. So oh, there it is. So I'm going to write that up here. We're going to leave a finger space. I want. That's another red word at the moment that we can't sound out. So here it is, want. I'm going to write it up here. I want green. Get my thread fingers ready for that one. See if you can get yours ready. Green. 4, that's how many we're going to need. Let's pinch on green. You do it too. G-R-E-N. I'm going to leave a finger space and write it down. G-R-E-N. There's a special friend. I want green paint. Ooh, how am I going to need for paint? It's 4 again. You ready to pinch it on? Got yours ready? P-A-N-T. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to leave a finger space. P-A-N-T. There's that special friend again. Let's check what we've got so far. I want green paint on. Oh, we can do that one even without our thread fingers. I want green paint on my. There it is. It's a red word. My shell. Shell? Oh, how am we going to need for shell? Going to need 3, aren't we? Let's write it down. Going to leave a finger space. Shh. Oh, they're special friends. Sometimes we put 2, don't we? I want green paint on my shell. Said. Here it is. It's a red word. Said. The. How do you spell it? You tell me. Yeah, you're right, because it's a red word here. The. Last word that we're going to write, snail. Oh, how many thread fingers do we need for snails? 4. S-N-A. Oh, let's write it down. S-N-A. Oh, there's our special friend. And because it's at the end of, that's our last word in our sentence, we need a full stop. Right, I'm going to rub it off. And then I want you to find a piece of paper or a whiteboard and go and have a go yourself. That's quite a long sentence and you might need a little bit of help with some of those red words. So get an adult to help you. All right, go and have a go.